congratulate all of you for your wonderful and fantastic performances and the achievements you got throughout the year. There is no need to say anything about the usefulness, importance of English language nowadays. All of you must be aware of the importance of English language. Nobody can survive in this age independently without knowing this language. Isn't it? Yes. Nobody can deny this fact. And it opens the door of many disciplines and studies if anybody wants to get higher education. But Alhamdulillah, you spent 1 year or less than 1 year to get this knowledge, this education, and Alhamdulillah, you achieved a lot. But it's not enough, because there is no limitation of knowledge. The more you learn, the more you are qualified and talented, and the more you get thirsty. But there are two things. One, memorization and to get knowledge, and the second thing, to express and demonstrate those educations and those types of knowledge. Hazrat Imam Shafi rahmatullahi alayhi is reported to have said, لَيْسَ الْعِلْمُ مَا حُفِظَ إِنَّمَا الْعِلْمُ مَا نَفَعَ. All of you must know the meaning of this text. لَيْسَ الْعِلْمُ مَا حُفِظَ. Knowledge is not what you memorized. Knowledge is but what benefits. But how will you benefit others through the knowledge you got? By demonstration, by expression, isn't it? So what you memorized, what you learnt, no matter you learnt English, you learnt religious education, and you learnt modern education, no matter whatever you got, it's your responsibility to disseminate that knowledge, to spread that knowledge, to express your feelings, to express your knowledge among the people, and to spread the Islamic education through that language. And English language, as you know, is international language. Nowadays, it is global language throughout the world, spoken throughout the world. Arabic is also called the global language, but it is the main feature of English that it is spoken almost in every country, though their specific languages are others. But this language is spoken in that countries, though their regional languages are different. And if you know this language, and if you go to any offices, government offices or private sectors, so your work is done in innovate, and you command respect, you get honor and majesty everywhere. So that is the influence of this language. And also a lot of information and a lot of inputs and materials are lying in the books contained with this language. So if you want to get some material And if you want to express something, your feelings before the audience, and if you want to speak among the huge gathering without preparation, without pre-planning, you have to just open the net and browse some pages on the net and collect materials, and all the materials are available on the internet. So by sitting on your seat, on your place, you can collect a lot of ideas and express before the people if you know this language, because of a lot of materials, a lot of ideas, and everything without exaggeration is available in this language. So Alhamdulillah, now when you got this education, the knowledge of English, now you are not dumb, you are not speechless wherever you go. Now you are Alhamdulillah able to speak, to communicate with anybody in any country, because you have knowledge of a shared knowledge, a shared language, a common language. So you want to be speechless and dumb anywhere in the world, inshallah, and you will get a lot of things using this language, and you will get a lot of materials, and you will get higher education very easily using and utilizing this language, inshallah. May Allah make your learning this knowledge source of your prosperity, and may Allah make you go ahead in the world and hereafter as well. Thank you. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.